This is the RRL plugin version 2.9.6. This is a quick overview video to walk you through the latest changes in the graphical interface, and we're hoping that you would share with us your feedback. And yeah, let's get started. So I'll show you. No need to work with these modes here anymore, and no need to work with the settings here. So settings has been simplified, and now we have a tab approach. So you've got 3 steps effectively in the mode. You've got the frequency range, and you've got the boundary. So say you want to run a point-to-point microwave or maybe land mobile radio. Start with the land mobile radio. So when you click or when you check the land mobile radio button, it'll give you 3 options: transmission or reception, or transmission/reception. And then you go frequency range tab, and then you specify the frequency of interest. And say you go with NF, for example. So it's asking you to log in. Okay, logged in now. Again, NF. Here we go, frequency range. Now when you do the boundary, so here you select the mode, and here the frequency range, and here the boundary. And in the boundary you have the option to do radius filtering, or by coordinates, or from the map directly. So now we have a map here where we could use the map to draw a polygon, to draw a rectangle. Or from HTZ. HTZ is grayed out because you did not run the plugin with HTZ. So let's start with the radius, which is just a simple approach. So you put the coordinates that you're looking at, and then you resolve. You put the distance, say 50 kilometers, and you hit update. So it will show you where is the area you're working with. So this is the area we're working with. So run the query, and here you go. That's the outcome. Okay, so that's the outcome. Now in the map here, you have now the option to draw the network. So you can go and draw the network. Here you go. So it'll show you where the sites are. That the results that came in the query. So even though it looks like a square, it's a square polygon. The filtering is actually happening is circular, because we decided on the by radius option. So if you go now and choose an option like by coordinates, so it allow you to key in the coordinates manually, upper left corner, lower right corner. If you choose from the map, so from the map means you should be able to do, for example, double clicking. Here you go. So you will choose that location, for example, here, or the airport. Double click on the airport, and it will move on to that new location. And because it's got 200 kilometer radius, it will draw a 200 kilometer boundary. So you run the query now. So I found nothing in the area effectively. So try now the point to point. So the point to point, see, there's not coming up with all these options. Frequency range is the same, so you go FX18 for example, then you got the boundary. You can choose by radius, update, run the query. Then you can go map, draw the network, and they will show you the links where they are. And if you want to use the map approach, so you could just double click, for example, in the area here. Okay, so we're looking at 200 kilometer radius. So run the query. Here we go. The map, clear overlay, draw the network. Here we go. This is the network. So this is the new interface. We try to simplify it and give you more options, flexibility as well. So we look forward to hear from you on this. One thing before we finish, we also now have a Pim calculator, which is a passive intermode calculator. So this is something we'll talk about it in a separate video. Thank you.